Most real estate investors are looking for deep discounts in real estate, but does it ever make sense to pay market value? Well, there's 3 things that you can do as a real estate investor in order to be able to analyze your deal to see if it makes sense to pay more for a property. Number 1, look at the comparable sales versus the asking price of the property and make sure that the asking price is not too high above the comparable sales. In fact, what you're looking for is the asking price to be right around the comparable sales price. Number 2, look at the rents on the property versus the expenses on the property. If you see that the property is going to generate positive cash flow, then it really doesn't matter what you're going to pay for it as long as it's cash flowing every single month. And number 3, look at the seller's flexibility on the property. Is the seller willing to do any seller financing? Are they willing to allow you to take over their payments? I'm not looking to get bank financing or pay high interest on a market value property, but if the seller is flexible on their terms, then we can make something happen.